now. Excuse me. Snowing again. A little dusting. So it's Monday, March 25th, 2013. We're on the way to A&P Market down in Blairstown. Get some meat and stuff like that. Supposedly it's going to snow a little. It's cold. It was snowing. Okay, got some tasty cakes. Oh my god, I don't know why I got this cloth. Had it for like 2 weeks now. It comes and goes. Anyway, we got tasty cakes, meat, Ritz crackers. Have the garlic Ritz. I'll try them. Jelly was like $5 for a bottle of stupid jelly. And half the jellies they have nowadays are crappy. You have to just go to the good gourmet area to get any decent flavored jellies. And that's it. Oh, I just made my mom a T-bone steak with some modified beans there. Making myself a hamburger, actually a cheeseburger. Yeah, it's a hamburger. Charred on the outside, but rare on the inside. Kind of grilled on raw onions. Okay, there's my dinner. Hamburger, cheeseburger rather, with grilled in raw onions. That's good for me. Now I'm gonna boil some honey in water and try to breathe the vapors in an attempt to try to get rid of this stupid cough. It's kind of like an old time remedy. Usually you put like lemon and honey and boil it. Can't hurt. I've been coughing for about 2 weeks now. It's ridiculous.